Yeah, man, I just want to say congratulations to the one and only Pagania. Yadle mnyama, yadle mnyama, yadle mnyama. So, yeah, first of all, I just want to be honest with you, like I didn't watch the whole match because today my teammate is playing and my apology. Angizange vele yabo ngifocus but kuthe mazithi 66 vele yabo. I started watching the match and yeah, man, the score was still nil available, and then I wanted to figure out what is actually happening and stuff. And then I saw okay, Pagani was crediting most of the opportunities, and Chippa United behlala available deep. And one thing that I always say is that mostly with the Feda, ekugcineni bazocrack yabo, and what a pass from like really, brother, what a throw pass, and then Hoto assisted, and then yeah, Mahopa did the rest available. What a beautiful goal. And then after that, a few minutes later, Chippa got an opportunity. They don't like finish it available, and it is a thing which they don't even create so much chances amangago. And then the last minute goal right now by Arsenal Police. I don't know why niggas is space. I don't know why like like space Arsenal Police. You know it's like it is a player that is too good, technical, and then you just give him a space, and then the rest was history. So yeah, congratulations to them. As I said, and as I said on like other videos, that I'm expecting them to take into him. League vele this season they don't have any excuse. It is not a thing which will color and care for anything vele about their focus. It is a league, and I'm still saying which like I'm expecting them which they gonna be winning the trophies, and I hope my team wins today. Thank you.